Are lattes your favorite espresso drink? You're not alone, they're the most popular coffee order in the US. This classic drink combines espresso with milk to form a hearty, energizing treat. In fact, the word latte translates to milk. Rather than spend your time and money at a coffee shop, why not enjoy a latte at home with a latte machine? If you choose the right espresso machine, you'll have delicious lattes before you know it.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best latte machine. So let's get started. Number 5. Delonghi EC702 Espresso Machine. The Delonghi EC702 15-bar pump espresso maker makes our list at number 5. Although it produces a great latte, there definitely is a learning curve. The one thing that makes it stand out is that it can be used with pods, which we don't find too often on espresso machines with portafilters. This machine is for people who don't mind experimenting with a semi-automatic espresso maker. You control the amount of water and time of espresso extraction, and a lot of people don't want that when preparing coffee on a busy morning. If you have the time and patience to figure out the parameters for coffee extraction, you'll love this machine. Once everything is dialed in, it produces an amazing latte. As far as hardware goes, it's super durable, but the steam wand could be longer. Number 4. Keurig K-Cafe Cappuccino Maker. For all you Keurig lovers, the Keurig K-Cafe single-serve latte, coffee and cappuccino maker has made the list just for you. Before we rave about this latte maker, this isn't for those who want the experience of having freshly ground beans seconds before extraction. If you care about that, this machine isn't for you. We enjoy the efficiency of the Keurig K-Cafe single-serve. Initial setup and daily operation are easy. As with most latte makers that take pods, cleanup is a breeze, saving you time during a busy day. As far as extraction goes, this latte maker got it right. You're just a push of a button away from a decently brewed latte. However, the milk frother isn't the best. For the price, it could be better. It's great for cappuccinos because it froths to the point where the foam separates from the liquid, but that's not quite what we're looking for in a latte. Number 3. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso and Latte Maker. For those on a budget, we recommend the Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. It doesn't advertise its latte making capabilities in the name, but for the price it makes an exceptional latte. Like the Mr. Coffee Cafe Latte Maker, this machine is automatic, making it easier for those who are on the go and don't have time to actually build their lattes. The only hands-on part is getting the espresso into the portafilter. Then use is as easy as pushing a button. The major quality lacking with this machine is milk texture quality. If you're picky about the way your milk's textured, you may want to pass on this machine. We found that the milk is a little too airy, which is a personal preference. If you love airy milk in your lattes, then this is the latte maker for you. Number 2. Mr. Coffee Automatic Cafe Latte Maker. The Mr. Coffee Automatic Cafe Latte Maker differs very heavily from our first choice. Since it's automatic, we highly recommend it for those seeking efficiency above all else in a latte maker. But with ease of use, you do sacrifice quality of taste. Even though this latte maker makes amazing lattes, they don't stand up to the quality of the Breville Barista Express. The Mr. Coffee Automatic Cafe Latte Maker is easy to learn and takes less than a minute to set up. You'll receive an informative recipe book that'll expand your latte repertoire. Even though you won't be experimenting with parameters on this machine, you can experiment with new flavors of lattes. Your mouth will thank you for it. Number 1. Breville BES870XL Espresso and Latte Machine. Breville's Barista Express tops our list because of its capabilities as far as coffee and milk quality are concerned. The first thing you'll notice in a good latte is the milk quality. As soon as the drink hits your mouth, you notice the temperature and the velvety smooth texture, or the lack thereof. With the Barista Express and a little practice, you can almost guarantee a perfectly textured latte every time. Since this is a semi-automatic machine, you play a role in how your latte is going to taste. So, play around a little bit. This machine is super easy to learn and fun to use. You'll easily become addicted and will be adding accessories to your setup in no time. It is, without a doubt, one of the best latte makers for home and commercial use. That was our list of the top 5 best latte machine just for you.